It's your girl, full of grace, back with another video. Yes, it is it is she. I'm annoying and I look a mess. Like, this is pre-wedding look. So, yeah, the wedding is this week. It's here. Today's Thursday. So we are 2 days away. I'm going to help set up the place right now, because if you didn't know, this is a DIY wedding. So all we pretty much got is a place and tables. So I know my girl and the squad is gonna make it happen. So I'm sure it's gonna be beautiful. But yeah, so I'm going to capture footage that I can, of course. And yeah, so enjoy and keep up with me. Mwah. We're hashtagging T and Drew say I do. My hair is so frizzy poof. And Tiara's here. And she's getting married. It's the prep. I can't believe you're getting married. I've said that in every time. I've been saying this for so long. So cute.
We're in the middle part.
Look at this. This is real wedding day.
Oh my
This is cute. Hey now. This is how you dry your henna. This is how you sit. When you have to dry your henna. And you can't scrub yourself too much. In the shower, but don't scrub your hands. My hair, I look crazy, I know. That was the original style we talked about.
I didn't know because my hair was really short. It was like just
yeah, now you want to eat. We pulled it together really fast, I just want to say. Like, rehearsal dinner vibes. Oh, yes, sideburns.
the devil's juice.
Really, T?
Don't put your hands in the pocket. Put your hands in the pocket. There you go.
Wanted you to be naked. You wanted you said the what? Oh my God, what was I? Rebecca.
Oh, you're fine. Wow. They're waiting.
The red
All right.
is fire.
Oh, sorry.
We can walk this way. Walk this way. Rehearsal dinner over. That means this is it.
This is the end.
This is really it.
Serious
goodie bag. Party's in our room.
Oh, party in the room. Party in the room. What is happening? That's how we're currently
4:50 in the morning. The unglamorous part of wedding days when you have to get up and get your makeup done. I'm tired, but it's wedding day. I'm excited. Keep up with me.
Light up here. Not too much.
Okay. It's back of the scenes stuff. This is not what makeup artists do.
When I start crying, I will just start sliding down. It's just sliding down my face.
Oh my god.
Oh no, don't look at me.
Wedding Chronicles, behind the scenes, before beautification happens. My lips look so weird without lip thingy on.
What?
I don't have like lipstick on because I had.
You might be on to something.
Oh, I like that. I like the little. There you go. You happy?
I can't really see it.
No, I'm good. Anyone have that? Okay, ready?
Save it all for the reception.
We know you have a joke coming.
I set up.
I'm not so much older than you guys, and I'm an amateur. Can you imagine?
Looking like a jointski, okay?
Have you made them?
Oh, she's a married woman. She's a married woman. She's a married woman. She's a married woman. Hey, get into this wedding drip. Isn't that what people say? That's the word, the drip, the wedding drip.
I can't really move, so.
The wedding drip, the wedding drip.
Drip.
Look at Mama back there, jointski. Jointski back there. Yes.
Swag surfing. My bridal bag. It says bride on it.
You know this is the wedding switch up I was saying. It's a wedding switch up. Like, look at this. Look at this is a wife. It's a wife. And she's serving Luke's with a W. Luke's. You better serve Luke's, mommy. See, you're married. I have to do this every time.
I remember when she was 16, she had a sweet 16 party, and I was designated to be the host, i.e. standing here like I am right now, holding a microphone. And I had said something to the effect of, ladies and gentlemen, we will now usher Tiara Kasanji Hall from young adolescence to womanhood. Everyone clap, yay! And like half an hour later, my mom put me to the side, Carlos. She's not a woman. And that's cool. I mean, I get it. You know, it's hard to watch your little girl grow up and enter the world as dangerous as it is all by herself. But fortunately, now she has the night-floating Drew. And when I first met Drew, he was a young boy, a small child. And we've had me wrapped around your finger since the day you were born. Beautiful baby from the outside in, chasing dreams, but always know the road that will lead you home. You don't feel the pain, but there's some days of night. That means the music's rocking, let's go already!
good? All right, you two better go along and pitch it out. Not bad.
Oh my God.
I'm coming.
Now you kiss.
I'm moving.
Ding, 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 ding. She rubbing it. Yeah, okay. We about to get a real kiss. Okay.
Another one.
Party done. My feet are killing me. The party's over. Why is she singing? My feet are hurting. We're lit and the party is over. The look is still here. Makeup's still intact. And I'm ready to go home because I've been up since 4:30. I'm ready to go and it's now, yeah.